Greetings. My name is Joyce Bedeta, and I teach AP Computer Science A, and I'm trying to use the Modern Classroom project and apply its template and framework into my course. The learning platforms that I use are Schoology, My AP Class, and CodeHS. In Schoology, one of the first things that I do is I make sure to post an interactive word wall with the key terms and phrases students are required to know for that unit of study that we are on at that time. It's interactive where they can click to view extra information regarding some key terms. Another thing that's important for them is the pacing guide. I make sure that that is one of the first things that they see when getting started. So at the start of class, we will look over the pacing guide together, and they can view and see if they're behind pace, if they're considered on pace, or if they're ahead of pace. Let's take a look at the way that I set up my unit of study. This is Topic 8, 2D Arrays. In this unit of study, you might notice that there are some must-do experiences that they will go through, some should-dos, and some aspire-to-dos. If you dive into each topic as an AP CSA teacher, you'll see that each topic has a folder that will follow a certain pattern. There are must-do guided notes, must-do practice checks, and must-do CodeHS exercises for programming, and then some should-dos. One of the powerful tools in Schoology is the ability to create student completion options. For all of the must-do learning experiences, students are required to do a certain task. They can make a submission, they might have to score a certain amount of points, or view an item. There are some cases where you can require the assignments to be completed in sequential order. I allow my students some freedom because sometimes they want to take notes and do some programming exercises in CodeHS before they go into my AP classroom to practice some MCQs. So I don't check this in this case because I give them some freedom of choice. Using the student completion, I can now check my students' progress. Not only can I see where they're at, but they can as well. Using this tool can help me support students and have meaningful interactions with them as needed. One of the things that I really appreciate about Schoology is the ability to embed all the different tools and resources that I use. When I do live programming examples with my students using CodeHS Sandbox, I'm able to embed that resources right into Schoology where students can go back and refer and use it to remind them of our learning experiences we had together in class.